we have a hitchhiker. So about 2 years ago, when we lived in an apartment, we had mice, and it was horrible, but we got rid of them eventually. And then today we came here to the RV dump, so I had to remove the toilet, and I saw these tiny droppings. So I found this here in the shower. I'm like, fuck, this looks like mouse droppings. So I went to check our pantry, which is on the floor, and I found a ripped bag. How do we have a mouse in the fucking van? I'm pissed off right now. We have to take everything out and find the stupid mouse, because I don't want this shit in here. And what the fuck? In a van? Come on. Okay, so we have a cleaning day, and also Gasper's gonna put extra USB ports right onto the battery, so we don't have to use inverters much, and the fridge as well. So I'll show you. This is a mess we have right now. We took everything out. So much space. And then this is everything we have in the back. Okay, so we took everything apart, even the flooring, and we realized, so a couple of times this was running over because we forgot to empty it, and all of this is like soaked because it didn't have time to dry. And then back here, see, behind the shower, and then in front of the shower too. So we don't know yet what's the plan, but now we have to fix everything that's going wrong. And welcome to the renovation series, I guess. It was not planned, but now we kind of have a do-over. So it makes it a lot harder because we live in the van now. But we'll try to make it work. So it's looking worse and worse, to be honest. So we decided to renovate this whole front area, even the kitchen part, everything, because the floor has to go out. So this is where we stand the most, and this area got really bad quite fast, even without the water leaking in. But this, as you can see, it's like moldy. And then under the shower, it's getting worse and worse as we go here. So it's probably leaking somewhere in this area. All of this will go out. Just the bed stays. And welcome to our gypsy camp. So this is... the fridge is out here right now. Luckily, our jackery was full. It's now down to 76, and if you were wondering, it's only using up one watt of power, so he'll be good here for a while. And doggy, I showed you the back. So what I'm doing now, because of the mouse problem, I'll put all the things in the bags in this cooler so she won't be able to go in. is where the shower was. We didn't make the best way. It's like really bad. Okay, so we are pretty much done for today. The sun's going down and we need to catch the gym to go have a shower. So we're now trying to clean up a bit and I'll show you where we're at. So we ripped this whole thing out. This is where we had a shower, and just put this black shelf liner on the floor. And my yoga mat, useful for something. This is just so the fridge's not sliding when we drive. And then we'll put all these boxes around here. And yeah, anything that we might use later on, it's going under the bed into the garage. Okay, so it is now way later. We had to clean up everything, go get a shower, and then drive to the next city where Gasper works tomorrow. So I'll show you the situation, but first I have to tell you. So because of the mouse, we had to buy containers for all the dry food and everything, because we want to get rid of it. I think if she doesn't get food, then she'll just leave. Gasper put all the food that we didn't have containers for on the ceiling. So now we have food hanging off the ceiling in the middle of the van. I think it's funny. So this is the current situation. It is a lot of space in here right now, the hanging food. And then we put Ella's food in a box. And this is the only part that is still outside, and those bananas. So hopefully she doesn't like bananas. So we were brainstorming some ideas, like how to rebuild the van, and we have an idea of how we want it to be like. We just don't know how to get there yet. I think first is the floor. We started looking at shower bases, because even though we can shower at the gyms right now, because of COVID, another lockdown might happen, so we don't want to get stuck without a shower. In the floor first, and then we'll see what's next. So I'll end this video right here and update you when we do some progress. Thank you for watching. Bye. Good night.